everyone! Welcome back to Manch's Art and Hobbies. Today is special because I'm making a photo art for the biggest and the most popular boy band in the world right now, BTS. That's right, BTS, your favorite and my favorite. And this will be my gift to my grandniece, who is a big fan of BTS, Claire. Claire just graduated from elementary here in Toronto, and I thought that this would be a good surprise gift for her. I love BTS, their music and all the personality there. I love them so much because their music tells about a lot of important things for the young people. Fighting anxiety, depression, racism, and fighting all the social injustice right now. And they tell you and every one of us to just enjoy life. That's the music of BTS. So, to me, BTS is a good role model, not only for the young people, but also for those who are not young anymore, like me. And BTS, I think, deserves to be there, right there on top, because they are really good. So, a big salute to BTS and all the people behind this group. I also have so much respect for the BTS ARMY. BTS ARMY is a huge worldwide fandom of BTS. This group is a dedicated fans who's not only following the music of their idol, they are not only listening or idolizing BTS, but also they're doing good things for the community and worldwide. Like they're doing educational campaigns, they're doing charitable works, and a lot more. They're connecting to each other, helping each other. Isn't that wonderful? And so the BTS ARMY deserve a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you very much, BTS ARMY. And I hope you continue to multiply. And do you know that purple is the BTS signature color? That's why I'm wearing purple right now. Okay, now let's do our photo art of BTS. I'm going to use this rectangular mold, which is just fitting for the shape of our photo. Later on, we're going to cut this around here. But in the meantime, let's do the base. Of course, I am using my magic resin, which is 1:1 equal part. I already prepared the colored resin, and these are the colors that we're using. I have purple mica powder, this one. I have sapphire blue pigment, this one. And for the peach, I'm using yellow pigment and acrylic paint colored orange. Okay, and of course I have fine glitters. And for the border, I'm using colorful glitters. Okay, so let's start by pouring the border. So 24 hours has passed and we can now take a look at the result of our base, resin base. Let's see. Okay, we did a nice swirl right there. But at the other side, we need to see. Because the other side will be the front of our photo art. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, wow. I'm impressed. The purple is very visible because purple is the color of BTS. And the swirling that we did was quite impressive. Nice. So now I'm going to laminate this photo before putting in resin. And I am using this fellow self-adhesive laminating sheet. It's also just like lamination, but only one side. Because when you laminate it in the laminating machine, both sides will be laminated with plastic, right? But this one, only one side, only the front side. This side has to stick in the plastic laminating sheet like that, and then slowly stick it, there, and let's see the result. There you go, laminated. Now it's time to see our final project. Let's see the BTS. Okay. Beautiful. So shiny. And oh, by the way, I put a name there of BTS. It's just from my label maker. And then everything looks good. It's finished. Yay! BTS. Okay, next thing that we will do is attach it to the stand. Okay, but first let us check if there is anything sharp at the end. Please write down in the comment who is your favorite celebrity, and maybe we should consider doing a photo art for whoever is your favorite celebrity. Okay, now we have to attach this to the stand, and in attaching it we'll be using this guy. It's very nice, very durable, Gorilla Super Glue Gel. guys, this is our finished product, BTS photo art. And I'm gonna give this to my grandniece as my gift to her graduation. Let me see what will be her reaction. So guys, if you want to see more of my photo art and other resin products that I make, please subscribe to my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Or you can also share my videos and click the notification bell so that you can be notified with all my uploaded videos. So thank you very much. Please write your comments down below if you have anything to say about BTS, or if you have any celebrity that you want me to make a photo art. Happy graduation, Claire!
Thank you, Mama.
Whoa!
Look, guys, it's a really, really good resin art. Wow, it's BTS.
Oh, do you like it?
Yes, I will display this.
Okay. Okay, I have a challenge for you, Claire. Since BTS is your favorite, can you name each one of them?
Okay. This is J-Hope. This is Jimin. This is RM. This is Jungkook. This is Jin. This is V. And this is Suga.
Oh, wow! So you know each one of them. And tell me, which one is your favorite? Do you have a favorite?
My favorite is the oldest one, which is Jin.
Oh,
This
okay. Okay. So happy graduation.
Thank you.